slaughter. I be the captain, you was on my deck. These niggas still stretching out of place. I guess I gotta make that elastic back. Keep a grip, couple stacks, stack bundles. I keep that damn strap. Now, let me just chill out like a bowl of chili that you eating right now. But red light says stop, green light say go. Main yellow light gonna say get slow. No, I won't get it, I will get it. You niggas still trying to stop it like a certificate. But no ticket stop me. Niggas, I'm keeping on speed. You niggas on that shit that I don't wanna be on. Niggas keep on talking weak shit, they peons. I'm such beyond space out of town, so I'm out of reach trying to get me on the dial. Yeah, and I can see them niggas don't want it now, cause I'm such a monster. You see my belly row. Yeah, that means I need more humans for my feet, so let me get it in my teeth.
Yeah, I'm on my grind. I'm standing on the block. I want mine. I got some sick things to say to you. Fuck that, what you doing? Get my way through you. Yeah, and running through the game fast like Chris Johnson. Y'all don't want none of him. I'm stumping through the game temptingly, and y'all motherfuckers moving so vividly. I got my feet when you know I'm moving pivot, see, and I'm hitting them. Press that backspace, get out my face. They call me face. Y'all don't want a part of me. Y'all come around my way. You get erased like a chalkboard, but no chalk here unless it's in the street. Disappear like magicians did. I'm a hooligan. I run with wild niggas, and we all sin. We don't do things that y'all even know about. And when you say, you know I'm from the fucking South, and I spit it so tight, yeah, put them in the bag, and I smell so bright. All types of things, all designer clothing. If you wanna fuck with me, you know I'm a fucking soldier. I got the green on, and y'all wanna be put on, but I'm doing this shit till morn. I'ma go bang mine if you got it. I go and hang mine. I want it punch clock all times. I want dividends, no time for the friends. They ain't giving me no money, just fucking them. Yeah, I get across my words, and if you see the message, better say make it heard. I'ma make this shit, I'll flip you the bird, and you ain't talking right, then you talk absurd. Yeah, you niggas is geeks and a bunch of nerds, and I don't wanna fuck with you, cause face too cool. The shit I look like, I had your lips so blue. If you wanna live my life, then you do what I do, and I get all the cash, I'm getting all the ass. If I'm counting that shit, then I do all the math. Do all the math, count that shit, and then I do all the math, nigga.